My dear child, come close to me and listen with a peaceful heart. Today, I, your mother, your goddess of wealth, your protector of prosperity, have come to speak to you in a soft, loving, and clear way. I want you to understand every word easily without confusion, without heaviness, and without any fear. I am speaking to you because your heart called me and your soul wished to hear my message. I always hear the voice of my true devotee, and today I answer your call with blessings and love. My beloved child, I have come to give you a simple, straightforward, and true message. Today listen carefully, for every word I speak is filled with truth and protection. I am your mother and I observe the hearts of my devotees very carefully. I do not look at your outer appearance, your wealth, or your status. I see only your heart. I notice your intentions, your respect, your purity, and the way you treat others. I reside where there is respect, where there is love, where humility lives in the heart. I do not reside where disrespect, contempt, and arrogance stay. I am the goddess of prosperity, peace, and purity. My presence cannot survive in a place where negativity, ego, and insult exist. My child, understand this clearly. I depart from those who despise me, insult me, or take my existence for granted. I do not stay in the homes of those who forget respect, who forget gratitude, who think wealth is their own achievement and not the blessing of the divine. I move away from such hearts because there is no space for me where arrogance has taken root. Lakshmi never resides permanently amidst insult. No matter how hard such a person tries, he is always surrounded by some crisis or the other. He may earn wealth, he may receive money, but it never stays. It slips away like sand in the palm. He always chases after wealth but finds no peace, no contentment, no happiness. Even after gaining much, he feels empty. Even after collecting money, he feels lack. This is because wealth without respect becomes burden, not blessing. My dear child, remember this truth deeply. I reside where there is faith in the heart, where there is kindness and purity in the mind, where there is love in the home, and where the atmosphere is peaceful. I move towards peace, not chaos. I move towards purity, not negativity. I quickly distance myself from those who are filled with arrogance, who belittle others, who use harsh words, or who create unnecessary trouble in their own homes. When people choose ego, they lose grace. When they choose disrespect, they lose prosperity. When they choose insult, poverty follows them. My beloved child, I bless those who respect me. I bring stability to the lives of those who love me truly. I stay permanently in the homes of those who call me with humility and gratitude. I bless the families who keep peace, who keep purity, who keep love alive in their hearts. Where there is respect, I multiply wealth. Where there is kindness, I multiply opportunities. But I automatically withdraw from the environment of those who insult me because wealth and insult can never live together. If insult enters, poverty enters with it. If arrogance grows, blessings fade. This is the eternal truth. My sweet child, always keep your mind pure, your home sacred, and your actions good. I want to be with you, bringing happiness and prosperity into your life. I want your home to shine, your life to bloom, and your heart to feel full. But remember that I stay away from those who insult me or insult anyone else. Insult is a form of darkness, and I am the goddess of light. Light cannot live where darkness is stronger. No matter what such people do, they face troubles because their minds are not stable, their hearts are not clean, and their actions are not gentle. A troubled mind cannot hold blessings. A bitter heart cannot hold peace. My child, never despise or insult anyone in your life. When you insult another, your inner peace breaks. When you hurt another, your own blessings weaken. The one who insults becomes filled with sorrow, fear, and restlessness because insult brings a heavy karma that blocks prosperity. Be humble, be gentle, speak with love, and keep your actions pure. When your heart is soft, blessings flow. When your words are sweet, opportunities open. When your actions are pure, your life becomes blessed. My dear child, today I want you to grow, to rise, to shine, to experience a life full of success and joy. I want you to be wealthy in all ways, wealthy in money, wealthy in peace, wealthy in love, wealthy in health, wealthy in happiness. I want you to walk forward with confidence, knowing that your goddess is with you, watching you, blessing you, guiding you. My beloved child, when your heart is pure, I stand by you strongly. When you pray with faith, I hear your voice clearly. When you act with honesty, I open new doors for you. When you treat others with compassion, I fill your life with abundance. Prosperity is not only money. Prosperity is peace, respect, happiness, and safety. I give all of these to those who keep their heart pure. My child, let no arrogance grow in you. Let no anger stay too long. Let no insult escape your lips. Let no negativity enter your home. Keep your space clean. Keep your heart open. Keep your mind calm. These simple habits invite my presence. These simple actions pull prosperity towards you. Remember, I do not judge you by your wealth. I bless you according to your purity. A simple home with love calls me more than a grand palace filled with ego. My child, I walk away from places where people hurt each other. I close my eyes to homes where harsh words are used daily. I turn away from hearts filled with jealousy. But I stay forever with the one who lifts others up, who speaks softly, who respects every blessing, who carries humility in their heart. Humility is the key that opens my door. My dear child, I watch you more closely than you think. I know your struggles. I know your fears. I know your efforts. I know your efforts. I know your efforts. I know when you feel tired from trying. I know when you feel alone. I know when you doubt yourself. But I am here to remind you. When your heart is clean, I stand beside you with full strength. When your intentions are pure, I bring fortune into your hands. When your actions are honest, I remove obstacles from your path. Trust that I am working for you even in moments you cannot see. My child, never think you are alone. Never think you are forgotten. Never think blessings have stopped for you. Blessings are always moving towards you, but they reach faster when your heart remains peaceful. Do not worry about those who insult you or disrespect you. Their actions block their own blessings, not yours. You only focus on purity, love, and respect. The rest I will handle. My child, I bless you to always be happy, always be wealthy, always be safe, and never face any lack in your life. Walk with faith, act with kindness, speak with love, and I will stay with you permanently, protecting your home, your family, and your future. I am with you. I am watching you, and I am guiding you every day. Prayer. Oh Goddess, fill my heart with purity, fill my home with peace, and fill my life with prosperity. Remove all negativity from my path and bless me with strength, clarity, and humility. Let your grace stay with me forever, and let your blessings shine in my life always.